GEMS has schools stretching from the United States right across the globe to China and parts and countries of Africa as well. We are a global education company, and our vision is to be the world's leading provider of quality education, affecting the lives of millions of children and the communities in which they live in a positive way.
All the activities in the school are geared towards the learner. The learner is at the center of everything that is happening in school, and we encourage our students to observe, to question, and then to do things by hand, because whatever is the outcome of that kind of learning is basically through experience, and it's more permanent in nature. The school's basic USP is providing individual care and attention to different students, whether in terms of their language requirements or in terms of their learning requirements or in terms of their behavioral requirements. Infrastructurally, we have a 21-acre campus. We also have fully secure boarding facilities for both boys and girls. We provide healthy and nutritious food in terms of organically grown fruit and vegetables that we grow within our campus. Since we are a part of GEMS, professional development is a very big key area for our staff members, and everybody is expected to upgrade themselves and keep them abreast with the latest practices in terms of education.
All classes are fitted with a computer as well as a projector. We even have EduCom modules. Students find learning more interesting. It caters to students who have very short attention span also. Since learning is visual and colorful, students find it more interesting.
Well, I'm really fond of history, and the teachers of GEMS Academy really helped me with it and are really approachable.
We also have indoor and outdoor sports areas, and we provide varied kind of sports ranging from football, basketball, so on and so forth.
The school has many facilities. Like before we practice for our basketball, we can get to use the gym and all, for fitness and all. Then we come back here, plus our coach is very encouraging. No matter we lose, win or draw, he's always with us,
I like painting, and when I will grow up, I will be a painter.
Last 10 years, GEMS students have won over 700 national, international and regional awards for academics, sports and the arts.
We have special educators and psychologists in school, and we try to do a lot of sessions with our students on requirements like anger management, bullying, peer pressure, sex education, getting them involved into a lot of service activities. Recently our students did a Joy of Giving week where they collected some donations, and then these donations were put together, and we bought some stuff for the inmates of an old age home. Students went and gave that. We organized an eye checkup for them. So this is also telling them that you are not going to be living all by yourself in a community, and you're supposed to give back to the society in some form.
GEMS is in partnership with UNESCO, the United Nations Educational and Scientific Cultural Organization, with the Clinton Global Initiative, with the World Economic Forum, and the Tony Blair Faith Foundation. The unifying factor of all the GEMS schools worldwide is our 4 core values, which are world citizenship, universal values, leadership qualities, and forward thinking.
I'm from Thailand. My best friend is from Bangladesh. GEMS Academy have given me a chance to make so many Indian friends.
Our journey at GEMS Academia is truly been a work of excellence. We strongly believe that the education of high quality is the greatest gift a parent can give to their children. I conclude my message with an invitation to you to visit the GEMS Academia campus, which is located in the lap of greenery, where teaching and learning is simple, enjoyable, and most important, within the reach of students.
GEMS Academia International School lets me create.
GEMS Academia International School encourages me to discover.
GEMS Academia International School inspires me to excel.